Alright, y'all, this is gonna be intense. So we got Blizzard Thrasher taking on Glide Ragnarok. So yeah, I'm actually using my first version actually. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. Blizzard Thrasher versus Ranzo. Chance taking on Ranzo. Let's see how this goes. So gonna get right into it. Blizzard Thrasher taking on Glide Ragnarok by Ranzo. So let's see how this goes. Yeah. And of course, doing all the 1v1s. So, yeah, so big hit. Ooh, it goes down. It's so good. This thing is so good with the stamina. Like, I'm really surprised. Alright, boom. Glide. Tornado! There we go. We big hit these hits. These hits though, but Ragnarok gotta stay good. He's got it. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good for Thrasher though. For Blizzard Thrasher. Alright, 1-1. Alright, boom. Blizzard break. Glide tornado. And it gets stuck on the freaking launcher. For no reason. Oh yeah, now it was. Yeah, I'm gonna redo it. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. It's putting in work. It actually put in work with that, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna count it. Yeah, I guess why not. Alright, 2-1. Go Thrasher break. Glide tornado. And I put the plus system with it, so it has a plus system. It's 2-1. That's not good. That's not good for it. That's not good. That's definitely not good. It definitely, if it 5-1 it, that's not good. That's not good. But it is getting off balance though, with all these hits. So it's 3-1. Alright, boom. And boom. Alright, big hit. Ooh, big hit. Ooh, a bouncy rock devore. Ooh, talk about intense. Wow. Yo, it was hopping, yo. Oh my god, bro. Ragnarok was hopping. Alright. Well, that's 4, but if it goes down here, then I'm gonna go and call it. It lost the Ragnarok like that. Yeah, maybe it just needs to focus on the stamina. Probably gets it off balance. Ooh, big hit. Big hit. Ooh, that came down. That came down to power. That definitely came down to power. I'm gonna call it a draw, but it definitely came down. It definitely came down to power there. Alright, boom. And now that was not a good launch. Ooh! It scraped a lot of paint from that hit. Dang, look at that. Dang, that white paint. I don't know if you can see it. Dang, it scraped up a lot, bro. Dang, and here too. Dang, you can literally see the freaking paint is chipping off a Blizzard Thrasher. But yeah, but Blizzard Thrasher went down here. Yeah, I might do a rematch. I might. But it goes down. It goes down. Dang. But anyways, Glide takes the winner for Blizzard. I might do a rematch. It depends how I feel about it. You know, maybe, but who knows? But yeah, but we'll see. We'll see how it does. You know. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it, guys. Blizzard goes down. Cyclone does. I mean, Glide takes it. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have issues, smash comment down below. Limit every show, Sky, some epic content. Cause I will limit your ring that bug up. So forget it. But I said, your boy, Kim Slady. Says, so much for us. I'm gonna go shoot. Bye.